January and February are generally some of the slowest months for consumer spending, but not for all online merchants, especially ones who sell products like the ones we have in store today. If your New Year's resolution is to get more sales in 2019, then stick around, because this video is here to help you achieve your goal right off the bat in January. Hi world, how are you? It's Mark from Oberlo. Welcome to Show and Sell. As always with this series, we have some marketing tips and product recommendations we've put together to help boost sales for dropshippers. Hit subscribe now if you would like us to help you get sales too. We publish a new video every week. Today we are looking at the consumer market in the months of January and February, and a couple of ways you can tackle these tricky months with select marketing ideas and product recommendations. Although consumers generally slow down their spending in this period, we're going to see how you can avoid that slump in 2019. For that, I have an app recommendation and 2 New Year marketing essentials to share with you. They will help you tap into your existing customer base in order to get your online store off to a winning start in 2019. And if you're lacking existing customers, don't worry. I also have some product recommendations that you can import into your store now to help you get those sales, as these products are the kinds that customers actually add to their carts during January and February. Alright, time is flying, so let's kick off today's video with a quick look at consumer behavior during the new year. This graph here shows the average monthly spending of US consumers dating back to 2008. That's a whole decade of data. And as these drops in the graph show, the lowest average monthly spend every year is around January and February. After spending significant cash in the months leading up to the holidays, the average American consumer seems to feel the pinch once the new year rolls around. But don't let that get you down. Shopping doesn't grind to a complete halt during the months of January and February just because they are some of the lowest for consumer spending during the year. Because now I'm going to talk about the ways you can ride that traditional January and February slump and still come out on top. Take a moment to think forward. It's January 1st. You're coming off the back of campaigns for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas and the holidays. Chances are you've made some sales. If you did, congratulations. But the challenge now is, how can you stay in touch with your audience and entice them to purchase from your store again? Working on your existing customers is well worth your time and effort, especially during this lean period, because attracting a new customer costs merchants 5 times as much as retaining an existing one. On top of that, your chance of selling a product to an existing customer stands at between 60 to 70%, while the likelihood of selling to a new customer is 5 to 20%. So you have a much better chance of making sales when you turn to your existing customers during the new year period, instead of going on the hunt for new ones. With that in mind, here are 2 ways you can use existing customers to come out on top of the post-holiday season slump. 1. Keep the customer journey going by using automation tools. When you create personalized customer journeys that are time or action triggered, you are able to stay in touch with your customer base, whether they are recent acquisitions or old patrons. This tactic works. Business to consumer marketers who use the power of automation see conversion rates as high as 50%. But in order to automate, you're going to need an automation tool, right? I'm way ahead of you and have a Shopify app recommendation that can be your best automated friend this new year. The app has a free plan and it is called Automated Email. One of my favorite things about it is even the free plan is completely white label. The company behind the app do not put any of their branding in the emails you use it to send. From feedback requests, inquiries into customer satisfaction, to product recommendations and sales announcements. You can use this tool to create email messages that drive sales. The more you keep your customers up to date on your promos, sales and news, or simply in conversation, the more reason they'll have to visit your store. And that means there'll be plenty more chance for you to give them a reason to click checkout with your products in their carts, again and again. Number 2 on our list of marketing essentials, create a New Year promotion. You've probably heard at least one person say it before. New Year, new me. Plenty of people are like this and choose to kick off the new year with a clean slate mentality. Full of optimism, they commit to personal goals they hope to achieve during the course of the year. A 2018 survey by GoBanking.com showed that the second most popular New Year's resolution for Americans was to live a healthier lifestyle. This optimism is something you can capitalize on with a fitting promotion, and you can use what you know about these resolutions to shape your promotions. Because if you can help a customer to reach their goal, you can bet they're willing to invest in it. And some of these goals overlap with what we see in the GoBanking survey, allowing you to create even more compelling promos. For example, losing weight may help someone live life to the fullest, which is number 1 on the resolution list. The same applies to the resolution, spend more time with friends and family, another resolution that plays into the goal of living a happy life. This switch in mindset around the new year is an opportunity for merchants like you to talk up the benefits of the products you have in store and how they can support customers in achieving their goals in 2019. Simply pair this messaging with a sale or a great deal, and your store can hit a sweet spot in the minds of customers who are committed to a goal in the year ahead. And as 2019 is fast approaching, I have some product recommendations that you can use in these deals and promos. And if you are yet to build up an email list or a bank of existing customers, then stay tuned, because these products are the kind that tend to sell during January and February. So if you're looking for new products or to get started in dropshipping, they could be an opportunity for you to get your first sales. As I just spoke about capitalizing on popular resolutions, let's look at some healthy lifestyle and fitness products that will help you do just that. Because as this Google Trends graph shows, for the last 5 years, there are spikes in online interest for exercise gear around January and February as people begin to take action on their resolutions. How about this home gym abdominal roller? Your customers don't have to sign up for a costly gym membership they probably won't even use if they can work out at home. So, they can save money, which is another popular New Year's resolution, and get fit in 2019. And it seems customers are already thinking ahead. All of the orders for this product have come in the last 30 days. The next recommendation is for all those who want to get in shape next year. It's shapewear. This waist training slimming belt is another example of consumers thinking ahead, as again, all of its orders have come in the last 30 days. Customers can wear it for tons of occasions, not just sporting ones. Perhaps it is ideal for all those who want to spend more time with friends and family, which was the 4th most popular resolution in the survey, while still giving themselves a chance of honing their figure. Next up is this novel reinterpretation of the water bottle. Its unique design may be just a catalyst for helping your customers get out more to work on their fitness levels. This infusion bottle has a juicer compartment for fruit. Whenever someone takes it running with them, the juicer utilizes the running motion to continue diffusing fruit into the water for the entire time that the bottle is being used. And customers love the zest it brings to their fitness game. 4.9 stars out of 5 is a very promising customer rating indeed. For the more digitally driven New Year customer, we have this multifunctional smart bracelet fitness tracker. All of its orders have come in the last 30 days. Perhaps everyone had an extra filling Thanksgiving dinner this year and they're already making plans to shed the pounds for next year. Are you spotting a trend with these products? Sales are gradually growing right now for some of them, which means right now is the time to check products like these on Oberlo. Whether you run a healthy lifestyle store, a sports and gym related store, or a smart fashion business, you can find plenty more products like this on Oberlo. Our sports and entertainment category is full of product ideas that I think dovetail wonderfully with New Year marketing ideas that you can begin implementing right now. There is a link to the product category in the description below. Thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, hit like, and why not subscribe while you're at it? What are your e-commerce goals for 2019? Can we help you achieve them? Ask in the comments. I read them all and I reply to them all too. Until next time, learn often, market better, and sell more.